Hello learners, welcome to your favorite e-learning platform Pathshala. I'm Savita Chauhan, your mathematics mentor. Let's just start with a new chapter today called as construction. But before that, let us suppose if I'm telling you that in the previous chapters we have given some kind of the diagrams which were actually very important for proving some kind of the theorems or either for some kind of an exercise which were not necessarily precise, as they were only given to us to give us the situation or give us the feeling of the whole situation. However, many a times we just need some accurate kind of the figures. For an instance, if I have to draw a map of a building, then in order to draw the map of a building, I definitely need some kind of an accurate measurements or an accurate diagram. And furthermore, if I'm talking about drawing the map of a road, or if I'm talking about designing the parts of the machines, then all of these things definitely require some basic geometrical instruments. So we all do have a geometry box with us, and in this geometry box we do have a lot of basic geometric instruments. For an instance, if I'm talking about the very first type of an instrument which is in our geometry box and which is called as a set square. This is called as a set square. So we do have a pair of set square in our geometry box. So this is a set square of 45 degree, and further we have the very important geometric instrument which is nothing but dividers. So we have a pair of dividers in our geometry box. Further we have this protractor in our geometry box. Further we have this important ruler in our geometry box which is also called as a scale, and many a times we call it as an ungraduated ruler or graduated rulers. And furthermore, the most important instrument in our geometrical instrument in our geometry box is nothing but called as a compass. A compass is really very important instrument. So using all these instruments, or generally we can say using all these instruments, we can draw the geometrical figures. For an instance, if I'm talking about the triangle, we can construct a triangle, we can construct a circle, we can construct a quadrilateral using all these geometrical instruments that we have in our geometry box. But in general, we only require, or if I'll say in the geometrical construction, we only require two type of geometrical instrument, and those are nothing but called as a compass and a scale. So using these two basic geometrical instruments, we can draw the basic construction of some of the diagrams. So this is all about the basic construction, or the concept which is related with the basic construction. And let's just start using these two things. We can draw how we can draw the basic construction of some of the figures using these two basic instruments. So let's just see how we can do it.